So, Dad, I went to Ford and I found out that I have to pay $85 to fix my cabin filter.
$85 for a cabin filter? Let me see this. $85? Well, that's not going to happen. So we're going to go to the store and buy our own cabin filter, okay? And it should cost us between $14 and $20 maximum. And then we're going to install it ourselves, like we always do with Daddy and I.
So, Dad, I went to the store and I got the cabin filter, and here it is.
How much was it?
Like 14 bucks.
Huh. Well, let's install it, okay? It's time to show people that they can't get ripped off all the time. We can do this ourselves. It's very simple, okay?
Welcome back to Daddy and I How To.
We have our cabin filter, all right? And we're gonna start here. We're gonna open up our glove box. Well, that's where your cabin filter is located. It's located behind your glove box. So first thing, you wanna easily press this, okay? I'm gonna do it again. You just press here. This falls out, okay? Now, you're gonna have to come closer here because these tabs under here, okay? You wanna take your hand, okay? And depress, wait a minute now. There's little clips here. We have one on each side. So you take both of your fingers, okay? And it's got a little indentation here. So the indentation, you press both of them at the same time, and it will drop down. And as you're pressing, push down, and there you go. Okay.
Awesome.
Now, there's two types of release for these to get your cabin filter out. Okay, some have two screws on each side, some don't have screws. Okay, and what we have is two Phillips head screws. So what we're going to do is, okay, is we're going to get our Phillips head screwdriver. We're going to loosen up the screw on the left and the screw on the right. Okay, can you see the screw?
Yes.
Okay. Be careful when you do this. This screw here can drop and you will lose it. Okay, so we're going to take our time. Okay, we're going to grab the screw and pull it out like that.
Wow.
And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So we took out both screws on each side. Once you do that, then simply grab it on the top. You got to get down lower here, Erica. Grab it on the top, pull it down. Okay? And now we see our cabin filter. Okay? We're going to pull it out. Okay? I don't think it's that filthy, to be honest with you. Okay. Actually,
Black.
no. Well, that's not that dirty, but we're gonna change it anyway. Okay. Oh, it is kind of filthy.
That's white. That's black.
Oh, yeah, I guess you're right, Erica. It is filthy.
Yeah.
Okay? So now that we have the cabin filter out, okay, we're gonna put our new one in, but make sure your airflow it's pointing.
Can
up.
I see that?
That's airflow. Where it says airflow. Well, let's turn it over so you can see it better. Okay. It goes
Pointing up.
Pointing up. So now, all you're going to do is you're going to slide the new one in. Now, so we just slide it in. Okay. Take your time. Make sure you got the airflow correct. Okay. Now that you have the filter in, you take your screwdriver, your Phillips head screwdriver, hold it exactly like you see me holding it here with your finger. Otherwise, you'll drop this screw and you'll never see it again. So, holding it like I'm holding it, and that's the important part. Okay? You push it in, and once you know it's in, you screw it in. And then you proceed the same way on the other side. But remember, the way I had my finger on that screw, okay, like that is very important, Okay, so you don't drop the screw inside here, because if you drop it here, you'll never find it. Okay, so I'm placing the other side the same way. Okay, same way, and we're done. Keep the screw. Okay, it's tight. Okay, don't over tighten it. You turn it on the plastic. Then you're going to push this up. Okay, just like that. It locks. Last thing you're doing is you're grabbing your hinge. Okay, you push it in, and that's it.
OMG.
And close the door.
And now you have a clean cabin filter, fresh air. And that's...
Now, my suggestion to you, because you have two different, make sure you try to get the one from AutoZone or Ford, but AutoZone, you're going to get a better price, and you're going to get a firmer filter. Okay? Enjoy. And Daddy and I have done it again.
Please subscribe, like, and comment on this video, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a great day.